Hey guys, what's going on? This is Aaron Linson with Lens Productions, and today we're going to look at something that's really cool. So come on, and let's start this video. If you see me at all with these glasses on, these are not just sunglasses. They have a camera on the right side of them that is used for an AIRA agent to see my point of view, or POV in other words. This makes it easier for them to understand what's going on and to see your perspective of what's around you. There are a different version of these glasses that are out, and I do have them on order, and I will unbox them and go through them when they arrive, but these are the ones that I have now. So AIRA stands for Artificial Intelligent Remote Assistance. And what they do is they allow a blind or low vision person to see with tasks that were previously hard to do or nearly impossible to do because of the lack of sight. This comes from anything from figuring out how to use a copier to filling out an inaccessible PDF, even finding a PDF that you can't find, that's not accessible, to reading a menu that you'd have to have somebody read to you or kind of know what you would want before you go to that restaurant because you didn't know what else was there. This is a really great solution because it's not like you're taking up people's time. There are free alternatives, one called Be My Eyes, which is really good. They have support with Microsoft services, so you can call in and get a Microsoft technician right away, which is great. I've used that a couple of times. That's pretty good. But with AIRA, you don't feel like you're burdening anybody. You're paying for the service. You have a certain amount of minutes you can use each month, and you use them, and you use it for whatever task you want. Along with these glasses, these are wireless. The other ones that I have coming are wired, but they are a little bit better in terms of camera quality and what they can see, what the agents can see. This is a MiFi hotspot, which this is only used to connect to the Austrian glasses, what these versions of the glasses are called. They are a little bit bigger. They're bigger than a normal pair of glasses, but that's understandable because you have all that technology that is packed into them. They do run for 2 hours at a time. These glasses do, and this runs for a while. Now, the service can be used on the phone and on the glasses as well. And that may be determined by what you need it for. A lot of the times around the house, I will primarily use my phone because it's easier. Now, when I get the new glasses, that may change because they are one dedicated unit. And we'll look at that when they come. And I'll explain more about those when they arrive. But it's really interesting thing and service to have, and I just wanted to show you an example of what it's like to use AIRA. So now I'm actually going to call AIRA and ask them what this box is. It's just the box that I had, and I figured I knew what it was. Just got it.
Hi Aaron, this is Makeda at AIRA. How may I assist you today?
Hi Makeda, can you tell me what kind of box this is? And I think it's one of mine and my wife's iPhone boxes, and I'm just trying to figure out how much or how many gigabytes it is.
Sure, scan to the left.
Okay.
All right. Let me see this. The side of the box.
Mm-hmm.
The front is just okay. So it says iPhone on it.
Okay.
But if maybe flip it over, see if there's any the
Yeah.
gigabytes or anything like that. All right. And move your camera forward a bit.
Okay.
So pull away, but then move it like up the box a bit. I want to try to see the whole box.
Okay.
So pull away. Yep. Pause right there. It is a 64 gigabyte.
64 gigabyte. Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Anything else to copy of today?
I think that's it.
All right. Have a great one.
All right, thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye. Good.
Call sound output. Call using a free skip feedback.
And the really cool thing is you can actually leave feedback. So I do this a lot when I feel that the agents do a really good job, and they always do, so I tend to always leave feedback. So I'm going to select good here, and I'm going to comment. I'm going to say that I'm going to say very good, good description and fast service for what the task required. So there's what I wrote, and I can
What the task required. Or what comment multi-line text field. Text field is editing. Very good description and fast service for what the task required. Carry through. Submit.
I'm going to submit that.
Thanks for your feedback. Glance.
And that is how AIRA works. You can. There are a couple of free promotions here. So, being a business owner, I can get them to help me with a myriad of different tasks. So I can get them to say, help me with QuickBooks, help me with an accessible Excel document that I can't find, or take your pick on that one. And then so say if my computer, and I'll just show you here. My computer here runs a screen reading program which allows me to read this entire screen. So let's say if I bring up
Search box edit.
It's going to bring up Word here.
Word. Desktop app. Press right to switch preview. Opening dash Word. Microsoft Word document. Print view. Edit.
So I can't see any of this on the screen. I can tell that it's there sometimes. I'll show you. I can tell that it's there sometimes, but then sometimes I can't. Just depends on the vision and what it's doing at that moment. And so that makes it really hard to see. And actually, I can give a better example. We'll just go to
Search box edit. Google Chrome. Desktop app.
there we go.
Address and search bar.
And then
Contact. Leading name.
maximize this, and just go to my website.
Linson Productions. C. S. Linson Productions LLC. Building technology and production relationship.
So there is Linson Productions, all decked out in black. New theme for the website. Go check it out. But I can use AIRA to access this computer, and they can help me troubleshoot an issue if JAWS wasn't working for whatever reason, and I could use that in conjunction with Vispero, who are the makers of JAWS, Job Access with Speech, that allow me to do my work and do the tasks I need to do on a daily basis on my computer. And it will save my minutes. So you do pay for minutes on this, and it's really, really, really cool. I've used it for a lot of stuff. So we're just going to go back down here to where we can look at the phone. I want to show you this application too, because I think this application is really, really nice. So you can go live with a service. So say like if I was cleaning the kitchen or cleaning the bathroom or cleaning the studio, I could go live to show people that, hey, this is how AIRA is helping me out in this situation.
My glass. Tab. 2 of 5.
And it has the status on my glass if I have it connected.
Live. Usage. Tab.
And here's my usage.
Usage. Heading.
So you get a month and you...
12 days until cycle ends on February 6th, 2019.
So my cycle begins on... renews on the 6th, which means the minutes that I have now are not going to be rolled over. So I've got to use these, and I do all the time.
36 of 100 minutes used.
36 of 100 minutes used.
64 minutes left.
64 minutes left.
You've saved 26 minutes, thanks to AIRA Access.
So AIRA Access is really cool. So Walgreens, Target, a couple other companies have partnered with AIRA so that when you go to those locations, you can call an AIRA agent for free for as long as you want, do anything you want to do in the store, and it won't use your minutes. And this is really, really cool because my wife and I have our prescriptions at Walgreens, and we go there to do some shopping sometimes, and we can use AIRA for free. And it's a more independent experience, and it's really awesome because the freedom that they give you into knowing what's around you and to explaining everything that's on a shelf so that you may want to pick out something new that you haven't used before is awesome, and it's great. And then I've got a more tab which brings up my profile and some personal stuff with AIRA. AIRA has gotten to the point too where they can actually call you a Lyft or an Uber, and they can track it for you and let you know when it gets there and guide you to that car. And that is something that is really helpful because a lot of drivers don't understand that and won't even help you with it. So the application does track it. You can kind of see where it's going and when it arrives, but that's it. How do you know when the driver's there? How do you know, what if you've got 3 or 4 cars in the driveway that, the second car is his. So that's one thing that they really help with, and I've used a lot, and it's awesome because you can call AIRA and say, hey, I need you to order me an Uber or a Lyft. They'll do that. They'll track it for you. And it's a really cool experience. And navigation, going out and doing stuff is something that's really awesome because it's like having a guide dog at your side, but it's a human there with you. So they'll tell you what's around you, what cross streets are next to you, or to your right and to your left. But then they'll let you make the decision when it's okay to cross, because that is something that's personal to everybody. It may take some people a few minutes, it may take some people a few seconds. And it's having that peace of mind that somebody is there with you in navigating that I love about AIRA. Not only the fact that I can do whatever I need to do independently because I have an AIRA agent ready to go at a moment's notice. So it's really, really cool. It's really, really neat. And if you're ever out and about and you see somebody with these glasses, or when the new ones come out, are shipped to me, I will show you those. Ask about it. Because it's really, really cool, and it's really freeing. And if you know somebody who is blind or visually impaired, tell them about AIRA. Tell them about this video. Because there's so much more that I couldn't get to within this video that I'm going to do some more videos on. Because AIRA is just an awesome service. So I hope you guys like this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.